Sweden is located in the Scandinavian region and the north of Europe. Swedish healthcare system has an increased need for nurses and physicians, and the number of foreign-trained nurses and international medical graduates seeking job opportunities and a license to practice in Sweden is increasing. The procedure for applying and become an authorized medical doctor in Sweden has 5 steps. Step 1. Start by applying for an assessment of foreign training. Step 2. Show certified knowledge of the Swedish language. Step 3. This step is dependent on your professional work experience. If you are a doctor of medicine without considerable medical experience, it is required to pass a 2-part theoretical and practical medical knowledge test in Swedish. The purpose of the test is to ensure that you have the same level of medicine knowledge as a person with a Swedish Doctor of Medicine degree. And then you should pass internship. The internship consists of at least 18 months of internship divided between different fields of practice. It concludes with a knowledge test. And if you are a doctor of medicine with considerable medical experience and a certificate of specialist qualification, you should pass probationary service. The probationary service lasts 6 consecutive months within the relevant field of practice. The objective is to assess your medical expertise concerning the knowledge required to obtain a Swedish license to practice, as well as your judgment, your way of relating to patients, and your general aptitude as a doctor of medicine. Step 4. Pass a course on Swedish medical legislation. The objective of the course is to ensure that doctors of medicine in Sweden have the necessary basic knowledge of the framework of Swedish society and of current legislation that applies to the profession. And the last step is step 5. Submit a formal application for a license to practice. It takes about 2 weeks to process. The advantages of this program are: your spouse and children under 18 years old will be able to accompany you, legal work permit for your spouse, free education for your children in the governmental schools, benefit from student insurance, and easily travel to the Schengen countries.